situation of Ebola in this country has been mishandled, wrongly handled. The Ministry of Health next time should be very careful about the information it puts out there. This has affected the tourism sector greatly. And simply because someone was not patient at all, they went out there at the start of the peak season and put information there which ended up being misinterpreted. The public thinks there is too much Ebola in this country. We've only had one fatal case. We've had only 7 cases which have been greatly managed. We have great doctors who can contain this disease. We know there are countries in our neighborhood that are even more hit, but they're very careful about the information they put there. So as a country, before someone goes out to call for a press conference or to put information out there, they must be careful about the repercussions that's going to be to do on the sector, because we've lost a lot of business. Hoteliers are crying, travel agents are crying, tour guides are crying, and it's not only affecting them, it affects even the local farmer down there, because when people grow the tomatoes or the pineapples, they're eaten by tourists. When someone rears their chicken and they get the eggs, they're eaten by tourists. So we are going to have a lot of these agricultural products floating the market because the tourists are not there. The cancellations are too many. So I want to call upon the Ministry of Health. Let's work together before they go out there to put information out there that could be detrimental to this sector. Let's sit and brainstorm and see how best we can handle.
Finally, Honorable,